For as long as we've studied ancient engineering, one thing has become increasingly clear. Some devices built thousands of years ago still cannot be recreated today. Not because we lack tools. Not because we lack technology. But because the level of precision, craftsmanship, and material mastery they achieved defies everything we expect from ancient civilizations. Today, we uncover 6 ancient devices that modern engineers still struggle, or outright fail, to rebuild with perfect accuracy. Number 1, the Damascus Nano-Blade. Forged between the 3rd and 17th centuries. These blades weren't just strong. They contained microscopic carbon nanotube patterns that modern metallurgists only identified in the last decade. Attempts to recreate the exact forge mixture, cooling cycles, and folding sequences continue to fall short. The original process is lost. Number 2, the Mesoamerican acoustic mirror. Archaeologists found polished basalt discs capable of reflecting and amplifying sound with eerie accuracy. Some could bounce a whisper across an entire courtyard. When reconstructed today, the acoustic effect is weaker, suggesting ancient artisans sculpted these stones with a precision we still can't duplicate. Number 3, the Hellenistic precision bearing. Unearthed near an ancient shipyard, engineers found a bronze and iron rotary bearing with tolerance levels comparable to early 20th century machinery. The metal layering technique used to reduce friction has never been fully reproduced. Modern replicas seize, grind, or lock under pressure, while the original artifact moves smoothly. Number 4, the Indian zinc distillation furnace. Over 1,000 years ago, metallurgists in Rajasthan produced pure metallic zinc using a downward distillation furnace design that modern engineers still debate. Today's attempts either fail to reach purity or collapse structurally under heat stress. The ancient version, mass-produced zinc on an industrial scale. Number 5, the Celtic gold bead microchains. In Iron Age Ireland, goldsmiths crafted microchains with links as small as half a millimeter, interlocked with flawless symmetry. Even with microscopes and precision tools, modern jewelers struggle to replicate the technique. The level of hand skill required seems almost superhuman. Number 6, the Nabataean anti-silt water diverter. In desert regions, Nabataean engineers built stone channels that automatically separated clean water from silt, using turbulence, spiral flow, and natural pressure. Modern hydrologists can model the system, but full reconstructions fail to match the efficiency of the ancient original. 2,000 years ago, they mastered fluid dynamics without equations, without computers, without sensors. When we study these devices, a new truth emerges. Ancient civilizations weren't behind. They were ahead, in ways we're only beginning to understand. Some machines we can describe, some we can model, but many we still can't fully rebuild. Because technology doesn't evolve in a straight line. Sometimes it peaks in the past, disappears, and waits centuries to be rediscovered. And the ancient world still holds more devices that challenge everything we think we know about engineering.